Vietnam is a country of breathtaking beauty. From north to south, it boasts a tapestry of diverse landscapes. Imagine soaring limestone cliffs, emerald green rice paddies, and bustling cities. The country's rich history and culture are deeply intertwined with its natural wonders. Ancient temples nestle in verdant valleys. Traditional villages dot the deltas and mountain slopes. Journey with me as we uncover the magic of Vietnam, one stunning landscape at a time. Ha Long Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and geological significance. It is a must-see destination in Vietnam, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its unique landscape. Legend claims that dragons created the thousands of limestone islands that rise dramatically from the emerald waters. These mythical creatures are said to have descended from the heavens to protect the Vietnamese people from invaders. As they spat out jewels and jade, these precious stones turned into the islands and islets that dot the bay today. Explore hidden caves, kayak through secluded lagoons, and cruise past floating fishing villages that have been home to generations of fishermen. These villages offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The bay's ethereal beauty is best experienced at dawn or dusk. As the first light of day breaks over the horizon, the limestone karsts are bathed in a soft, golden glow. As the sun paints the sky in hues of orange and purple, the islands seem to glow from within, creating a surreal and almost otherworldly atmosphere. The islands seem to glow from within, casting reflections on the calm waters below. This natural light show is a photographer's dream, offering countless opportunities to capture the bay's stunning beauty. This mystical atmosphere makes it easy to understand why Ha Long Bay is considered the heart and soul of Vietnam. Its timeless beauty and rich cultural heritage continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. Whether you're exploring its hidden caves, kayaking through its tranquil waters, or simply soaking in the view from a traditional junk boat, Ha Long Bay offers an unforgettable experience that lingers long after you've left its shores. Often called Ha Long Bay on land, Ninh Binh offers a similarly stunning landscape. Here, the karst mountains rise majestically from rice paddies instead of water. Take a boat ride along the Ngo Dong River, meandering through towering limestone cliffs and hidden caves. Visit the ancient capital of Hoa Lu and climb to the top of Hang Mua Cave for panoramic views of the breathtaking scenery. Ninh Binh offers a peaceful alternative to the bustling crowds of Ha Long Bay. Sapa, nestled high in the mountains of northern Vietnam, is renowned for its iconic terraced rice fields. The landscape resembles a giant emerald staircase, carved into the mountainside by generations of rice farmers. Trek through these verdant fields, stopping to interact with the local Hmong and Dao people in their colorful traditional attire. Visit Cat Cat Village to learn about their unique customs and traditions. Experience a homestay to immerse yourself in the local culture. Sapa offers a glimpse into a way of life deeply connected to the land. Section 5, Phong Nha, Key Bang, a subterranean wonderland. Prepare to be amazed by the Phong Nha, Key Bang National Park, home to the largest cave systems in the world. Embark on an adventure into the depths of Sun Dung Cave, so vast that it contains its own jungle and river system. Explore the Paradise Cave, adorned with shimmering stalactites and stalagmites. Go ziplining, kayaking, and swimming in this subterranean wonderland. Phong Nha, Key Bang is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. Section 6, From Ancient Capitals to Bustling Ports. Vietnam, a land of rich history and vibrant culture, offers a journey through time, from its ancient capitals to its bustling ports. This section will take you on a captivating tour of two of Vietnam's most iconic destinations, Hue and Hoi An. Hue, the former imperial capital of Vietnam, is steeped in history and culture. Nestled along the banks of the Perfume River, Hue was the political, cultural, and religious center of the Nguyen dynasty, which ruled from 1802 to 1945. The city is a treasure trove of historical sites, each telling a story of Vietnam's royal past. Explore the UNESCO-listed Imperial City, a sprawling complex of palaces, temples, and gardens. This walled fortress and palace were the seat of the Nguyen emperors and are a testament to the grandeur and sophistication of the era. As you wander through the ancient halls and courtyards, you'll be transported back in time to a period of imperial splendor. Take a boat trip down the Perfume River, named for the fragrant flowers that once floated on its surface. The river is not only a natural beauty but also a vital part of Hugh's history and culture. As you glide along the serene waters, you'll pass by picturesque landscapes and historical landmarks offering a unique perspective of the city. Visit the tombs of the Nguyen dynasty emperors, scattered throughout the surrounding countryside. These grand mausoleums are architectural masterpieces, each reflecting the personality and preferences of the emperor it was built for. The tombs are set amidst lush landscapes, providing a peaceful and contemplative atmosphere. Hue provides a fascinating glimpse into Vietnam's royal past. The city's historical landmarks, combined with its serene natural beauty, make it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and travelers seeking a deeper understanding of Vietnam's cultural heritage. Journey south to Hoi An, a charming ancient trading port. Once a bustling international port in the 15th to 19th centuries, Hoi An is now a well-preserved town that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modern-day charm. The town's architecture and layout reflect its diverse influences, from Chinese and Japanese to European. Wander through its well-preserved streets lined with colorful merchant houses, pagodas, and tailor shops. Each building tells a story of Hoi An's vibrant past as a melting pot of cultures and traditions. The town's narrow lanes and historic buildings create a picturesque setting that invites exploration and discovery. In the evening, the town comes alive with the glow of thousands of lanterns. The lanterns, a symbol of Hoi An's cultural heritage, create a magical atmosphere that enchants visitors. Stroll through the lantern-lit streets and you'll feel as if you've stepped into a fairy tale. Sample local delicacies at the bustling market. Hoi An's markets are a feast for the senses, offering a wide array of fresh produce, traditional dishes, and handmade crafts. From savory street food to sweet treats, there's something to satisfy every palate. Get a custom-made suit or dress. Hoi An is renowned for its skilled tailors, who can create bespoke clothing in a matter of hours. Whether you're looking for a traditional Vietnamese outfit or a modern suit, the tailors of Hoi An will ensure you leave with a perfect fit. Hoi An offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and modern-day charm. Its well-preserved architecture, vibrant markets, and enchanting lanterns make it a destination that captures the heart and imagination of every visitor. From ancient capitals to bustling ports, Vietnam's rich heritage and dynamic present are waiting to be explored. Section 7, Da Nang, a coastal gem. Da Nang, a vibrant coastal city, offers stunning beaches, modern attractions, and scenic mountains. Relax on the pristine sands of Mai Kay Beach, consistently ranked among the world's most beautiful beaches. Visit the Marble Mountains' 5 limestone and marble hills housing caves and pagodas. Take a stroll across the Dragon Bridge, which breathes fire and water every weekend. Da Nang is the perfect destination for those seeking relaxation, adventure, and a taste of modern Vietnam. Section 8, the Mekong Delta, Life on the Water. The Mekong Delta is a mesmerizing region in southern Vietnam, where the mighty Mekong River fans out into a labyrinth of waterways before meeting the sea. This area is not just a geographical marvel, but a vibrant tapestry of life and culture. The Mekong Delta, known as Vietnam's Rice Bowl, is a vast network of rivers, canals, and rice paddies. These fertile lands are responsible for producing more than half of Vietnam's rice, making it a crucial area for the country's agriculture and economy. Experience life on the water as you cruise through floating markets piled high with exotic fruits, vegetables, and seafood. These markets are the heart of the Delta's commerce, where traders and buyers meet on boats, creating a bustling and colorful scene that is a feast for the senses. The floating markets are not just places of trade, but also social hubs where people gather, exchange news, and maintain community ties. The variety of goods available is astounding, from tropical fruits like mangoes and durians to fresh fish and handmade crafts. Visit traditional villages built on stilts. These unique homes are designed to withstand the seasonal flooding that characterizes the Delta. The architecture is a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of the local people, who have lived in harmony with the water for generations. Cycle along the narrow paths that crisscross the Delta. These trails offer a serene and intimate way to explore the region, passing through lush rice paddies, quaint villages, and scenic waterways. It's a perfect way to immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of the Mekong Delta. Learn about the local fishing and farming communities. The Delta's economy is deeply rooted in these traditional practices, with families passing down their knowledge and skills through generations. Fishing techniques and rice farming methods have been honed over centuries, reflecting a deep connection to the land and water. The Mekong Delta offers a unique perspective on Vietnamese culture, from vibrant festivals celebrating local traditions to daily rituals that revolve around the river. The cultural richness of the Delta is evident in every aspect of life here. The Mekong Delta provides a glimpse into a way of life intrinsically linked to the river. The river is not just a source of sustenance, but a lifeline that shapes the identity and rhythm of the communities that call this region home. Whether it's through the bustling markets, the serene landscapes, or the resilient people, the Mekong Delta is a place where life on the water is a vibrant and enduring tradition. Section 9, Vietnam, a land of contrasts and harmony. From the soaring peaks of Sapa to the tranquil waters of the Mekong Delta, Vietnam is a land of remarkable contrasts. Ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, bustling cities give way to peaceful countryside, and yet, amidst this diversity there is a sense of harmony. The Vietnamese people are deeply connected to their land and their culture. Whether you're exploring bustling cities, ancient temples, or breathtaking natural wonders, a trip to Vietnam is an unforgettable experience.